Isaac! Where have you been? You're supposed to be watching the sheep.
I got bored of watching the sheep, Daddy, so I came back here.
Bored of watching... Ugh! What are you talking about?
Well, you see, Daddy, then I got hungry, so I came back here for some lunch.
Isaac, those were expensive sheep!
Well, if you love the sheep so much, Daddy, why don't you watch them?
I'm Abraham! I'm a prophet! I have more important things to do! I just wish you'd join the family sheep-raising business sometimes. God, what are you eating?
A salted bacon sandwich.
We're Jewish, you can't eat that!
It's a scrumptious sandwich, and I'm gonna eat it anyway, Daddy.
Where did you get the salt for it?
Uncle Lot's wife.
Isaac, you can't use your aunt as a seasoning. You make me so angry sometimes.
No, I can't hear you, Daddy. I'm reading my teen magazines.
Abraham!
God, yes, is that you?
Good guess, Abraham. It is thy Lord.
Yes, Lord, what would you have me do?
I am here to test thy faith, Abraham.
Yes, of course! I shall kill my son! I shall kill my son as a show of faith to you!
Whoa, I could never ask you to do that.
No! Really, no problem! I'll totally kill him like sacrificial lamb style!
Wow, I was really just going to command you to climb a mountain or do a lot of squat thrusts, but something hard, but nothing like that. Wow.
No, look! I already thought I sharpened the knife because I thought you'd ask!
Look, I'm not going to impregnate your barren wife again, Abraham, if that's what you're thinking. That was a once-in-a-lifetime deal.
Just let me kill this son, and I'll totally whack that selfish pansy.
You just can't murder your son like that, Abraham.
It's not murder if you ask me to do it. It's a sacrifice.
Good point. But still, I think you're splitting hairs here. If this sort of thing gets around, it will really look bad for the both of us. That's what I'm concerned about.
Come on!
No! No, and that is final. I am putting my foot down.
God! I do everything for you. I circumcised my entire family for you.
Oh, you did what?
Yeah! Snip, snip, like yes.
I told you to all get buzz cuts.
I thought that was a euphemism.
No, I meant the haircut. It's cooler in the summer. I wanted to start a godly trend.
Oh.
Well, good thing you didn't tell anyone, right?
Actually, we went to the local village, showed them our penises, and told them that you told us to do that.
Seriously, you went around mangling your penis and showing it in my name?
Yes.
See, this is what I'm talking about when I say you make me look bad.
I just want to do what's right for me, my family, and my God.
Okay, then stop mangling your dick and then killing your son in my name. Is that hard? No, it's not hard.
Fine. And you owe me.
I'm God.
You still owe me.
Fine. What do you want from me?
No more strife for the Jewish people.
All right.
I'm serious!
Yeah, I'm totally on it.
Hey! Isaac, guess what? No more suffering for the Jewish people!